Only 1% will ace this challenging logo quiz. Which brand logo is this? Apple. Which brand logo is this? Nike. Which brand logo is this? McDonald's. Which brand logo is this? Twitter. Which brand logo is this? Amazon. Which brand logo is this? YouTube. Which brand logo is this? Coca-Cola. Which brand logo is this? Audi. Which brand logo is this? Starbucks. Which brand logo is this? WhatsApp. Which brand logo is this? Snapchat. Which brand logo is this? Google. Which brand logo is this? PayPal. Which brand logo is this? Spotify. Which brand logo is this? Toyota. Which brand logo is this? LinkedIn. Which brand logo is this? Red Bull. Which brand logo is this? Microsoft. Which brand logo is this? HM. Which brand logo is this? Netflix. Which brand logo is this? Shell. Which brand logo is this? PlayStation. Which brand logo is this? Uber. Which brand logo is this? Nikon. Which brand logo is this? TikTok. Which brand logo is this? Wikipedia. Which brand logo is this? Tesla. Which brand logo is this? FedEx. Which brand logo is this? Airbnb. Which brand logo is this? Intel. Which brand logo is this? LG. Which brand logo is this? KitKat. Which brand logo is this? Dropbox. Which brand logo is this? Zoo. Which brand logo is this? Rolex. Which brand logo is this? Puma. Which brand logo is this? MasterCard. Which brand logo is this? Twitch. Which brand logo is this? Canva. Which brand logo is this? IKEA. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.